we are today. Cause we are today in the sweetie. Oh. Tingnan ako ng tao. Andito po tayo sa Hierophant. Ito na yun. Malapit lang po siya sa amin na city. Pero ito na yung city nila. Tapos padiretso po doon. O baka hindi lang ito. Hindi tayo sure. Huwag masyado tayong judgmental, guys. But is this what it is? That's why they're saying that this is boring? Is this the street? The
No, I
city?
think right behind you.
Okay, then let's go. Huwag nga tayo masyadong judgmental kayo talaga. First time namin dito, guys, sa city na ito. Pero dito po nagtatrabaho si Daniel dati, guys, sa Hierophant. Pero never siyang nakapunta ng city.
Yeah, it's to
So
the right.
today, let's see what it is in here.
Because we never go here.
Yeah,
Never went here before. How long do you live in the Netherlands now?
8 years.
In Leeuwarden.
Yeah. But
We
why?
never went to Heerenveen.
Yeah, but why?
Because saying it's boring.
Yeah. Nandito po tayo today kasi maghanap ako ng bra. Doon kasi sa amin, guys, wala na silang size ko. Hankomoller pa rin po ang brand. Meron kasi sila dito. Ay, okay. Okay. Like that. All the stores in the world. And also there, guys. Look. Isang street po siya. Kasi 'di ba nag-order po ako ng bra. Napanood yung vlog ko no isang araw. Tapos ngayon yung bra daw, guys, na mga in order nawala. Hinahanap pa nila ngayon. Oo, hinahanap nila. Di kailan pa yan? Uwi na tayo ng Pilipinas. So ang bala ko, dahil kailangan ko na ng bra, dalawa yung in order ko eh. Magtingin ako dito sa store po nila kung meron silang size ko. Kay kung i-cancel ko na lang yung in order ko doon. Hindi ko bet. Pero
Why
in
not?
fairness, ha?
Why not?
Basta ang design, the designs
Style
of
is no good.
yeah. But look, guys, do you like it? Tingin siya ng tsinelas niya. Si Nathan, kung nanood kayo sa vlog kahapon, si Nathan po na doon kay Bianan, nagbanding po sila. Doon tayo mag-dinner mamaya. Actually, doon na kami nag-lunch. Doon din tayo mag-dinner. In fairness sa kanila dito, maganda yung mga po nila. No? Pasok din ako dyan sa H&M. Tingnan natin yung mga sale nila dyan. Ganda ng pa-restaurant nila. Oh. Yeah, maybe we can have a drink. It's like our date ba today? Yeah, right?
Like our date today.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the end. Ay, they have, I want to see. They have market there.
Okay.
Let's go there too, guys. Nakikita ko ng Hankomoller. Maganda kasi talaga ang brand nila dyan. Yung sakop nga talaga. Ang dede mo. Alam nyo, ngayon, nagpapatulong na ako. Magtingin ng size ng ko, ng dede ko. Sabihin ko yan sa inyo. Natuto na ako magpatulong dati. Mainis ako, may maglapit sa akin. Kaya magtingin-tingin na nakabra ako. Ngayon, nagpapatulong na talaga ako. Guys, mas marami sila dito. Mas malaki. As in, mas malaki ang store nila. Ganitong bra
They have
yun. Oh.
more choice,
Yeah, they have more choice and they have a bigger. I'm happy that you brought me here. Ganito yung binili ko. Look for this one because I already checked this there. E70. E na ako. Last ko itong gamit ko ngayon B75 pero ngayon E na ang cup ko, guys. Tapos ang ginagamit ko dati B kasi hindi ako marunong maghanap ng bra. Kaya kayo magpatulong talaga kayo at saka kung pwede maghanap kayo yung sa mga expert talaga, yung mga bra talaga na store dyan. Kaya dati ang didi ko, guys, maglabas dito dyan. Tapos dito dapat sako pala talaga dapat yan. Yung wala talaga. Ano man itong mister ko, uy.
Ay.
Mahal bra. We went here for the bra.
E,
Hanap na siya. Tapos alam nyo,
they're all E75, E80.
each
this
bra,
one. What
iba-iba
about white?
siya
I like
ng
white.
size. Kasi itong bra ko, siya, tama siya sa akin.
E70 white.
Yeah, that,
There you go. White is nice on you, mahal.
may ligyan siya sa mga white. Magbili yan siya sa akin, white panty.
Yeah.
Last,
Good with the color of your skin.
nakapoy man maglaba, you wash that, ha? Sige.
I like it.
Yeah, but you wash that, ha? Because
Why?
you like that. Yeah, you like it.
So I need to wash it?
Yeah, because it's hard to wash that. Guys,
Yeah, you have matching pair.
nagtagumpay si Daniel. Nabili ko ang puti kasi dalawa na lang talaga yung sa size ko. So yung magpatulong kayo. Yan ang masasabi ko po sa inyo. No, huwag kalimutan magpatulong. Why? Ay, the market is there. Kasi guys, yung kung magbili-bili ka lang, ay, iba talaga. Kung may magtulong sa'yo na expert kay, very comfy po masyado. Kasi, pag naano nyo talaga yung perfect size sa inyo, ka-comfy. As in, dati maglabas ang mga didi ko guys. B ba naman ang bilhin ko? Kaya akala ko B ako. Tapos ngayon, ano, baka mag-zina ako. Ano, pababa ng pababa. Siguro ang didi ko ba na?
I don't think that's market, mahal.
Ay, there's no market, guys. No market at all. This one, oh. Maganda daw, sabi ni Daniel. Ay, but their water is not so clean. Maganda din ang city nila. Kayun lang. Maliit lang po siya, no? Tapos na yun agad. Tapos doon din po na side. Diyan po tayo galing. Tapos dito, meron silang pa art. At dito naman, let's go here daw, mahal. What we can see here. Tingin-tingin kayo, kaya ngayon nyo lang nakita itong city na ito. Diba? Bago na naman sa paningin ninyo. Mga ano na to, party-party nila, guys. Tingnan nyo sila. Kita nyo yan, ganyan, ang mga Dutch sweet pa rin, kahit may edad na po. Dito tayo kay maraming lalaki doon, guys. Let's go now, mahal. Let's go back. I want to go to H&M. Yan po sila mag-holding hands while walking, kahit mga senior na, mga 8 years doon makita maglakad-lakad dito. Damn. Mahal, why are you not holding me? They're holding their hands together, huh?
Because I'm holding your breath.
But I will show you later. Ang mister ko nagminanyak na naman, guys.
Show them later?
Yeah.
You are going to put on your bra and
No.
panty and show them later?
Binilihan niya alin ako ng panty, guys. Sinabi ko sa inyo, ang bumibili ng panty, ang mister ko, bumili siya kay para partner daw sa bra. Sabi
Instead
ko,
of you having a Tweety bird on your bilat.
panty kasi guys, wala akong pakialam kung anong itsura niya. Magsuot ako ng Tweety bird, pero sa bra, gusto ko yung comfy ako. Oo. Kaya ano, sa bra talaga, nag-ano po ako no, ano tawag dyan? I forgot, mahal. Nag-invest ako pag bra, bahala mahal. Say that
You are
again.
looking here, but look, this is bigger than you are. Look.
Dito tayo sa H&M. I'm looking for the sale, mahal. Let's go to the sale.
Look, mahal. The pants is to your shoulder. Oh, wait, I'll put it down. This covers your whole body. You don't need anything else. Just buy the pants and then you don't need any other clothes.
Where is the bilat? It's here? How can that be so tall?
Oh, look. Look, you film me. You film
Sige
me.
daw.
So tall. Look. It's my size.
I like you. Yeah, but that's for girls, mahal.
Yeah.
That's why I'm so excited to go to the Philippines because there I feel so tall.
I remember, mahal, the first time
Mm.
you went shopping in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
We were looking at the kids' clothes for you. Because they're so small.
What is this vlog today? Making fun of my height? Then why did you choose this? You had
Choose what?
three years to say that you don't want to marry me.
No, it's
You're
because
hurting my
the
feelings.
clothes are as big as you here. That's why. It's not my choice to go into this store the way yours.
You had 3 years to
Only 3 years?
Yeah, before we got married. You had 3 years, ha? So don't you ano me now? You're hurting my feelings now.
Yeah, but I like it. I can lift you. It's
But
nice.
in the... Awa, baby. Nastos ba? Minanyak. I cannot, ano ba? When you're here ba? I cannot shopping ba? Dan, hilom. Hawa, be, hawa. Go, please.
Give me a kiss.
Right?
Real kiss. Give me a kiss. Because I love you so much.
Kasalanan niya. Bakit siya nagsawa-sawa ng maliit tapos inaano niya ako ngayon? Sure ba? Hindi, wow. Hawa! Tinanong ko siya kung totoo ba yung mga sinasabi niya. No, I'm only doing that for the vlog, mahal. So they will laugh. Sure, ha? Sure. Pero sa Pilipinas talaga, guys, matangkad ako masyado. Promise. Pagdating ko sa sa airport pa lang, meron mga maliit pa sa akin. Ganyan talaga ako maglakad, Feel na feel. Sa airport pa lang. Pati si Maricel nakasabi. Saya, day, feeling ko ba pag nasa Pilipinas ako, grabe ko katangkad. Kasi, sanay po kami na na matatangkad mga higante ang mga tao dito. Kaya nababaguhan kami pag umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. Bili po ako ng blouse. Pakita ko sa inyo. Punta na tayo sa city namin. Malapit lang to. How many minutes from here, mahal? 20, right? 15.
How many minutes? What? Leeuwarden?
Yeah. 23-24. Na-touch naman ako sa pa-comment ni Tita Gracie Ederton. Garnet, I just wanna tell you, you're an amazing wife and a mother. Wala lang, I just thought that I'll tell you that you're amazing mom and Daniel is so lucky to have you as his wife. I hope you read this. Thank you. Wow, the laugh. What is this?
That's a smile because I am so lucky to have you.
Are you not?
No, it's a smile because I am so lucky to have you.
No, you were smiling like this.
No,
Wait,
not like that. That's not true.
You did that, mahal.
That's your imagination, Mahal.
I will replay ha. I will replay.
Replay that.
You said, oh.
Wow. Bastos.
Isang lumpia lang good. Pangpawala lang ng ano ba, ng inggit. Punta din tayo dyan sa Action. Maghanap po ako ng mga pa-chocolate. Madala natin sa Pilipinas, guys. Naunahan ako ng mister ko. Just one, mahal.
Only one?
Yeah. Nagmarites pa kami doon kay yung nagbebenta dyan Chinese. Tapos ay pupunta kami ng China. Saya punta kayo dito. Ano na din yan siya. Naka-Pilipinas na din po yan siya. Nakapunta na po siya ng Cebu. Ano ko na yan siya, yung best friend na yan kami guys, kaya palagi ba ako dyan kain ng lumpia niya. Tapos, nag-recommend siya ng mga puntahan sa China na malapit po siya Shenzhen at saka sa Hong Kong, mag-Macau nga po daw. Pero parang hindi tayo mag-Macau guys, parang hindi nga kami mag-Hong Kong. Parang hindi nagudbuo ang weekend ko kung hindi ako makakain ng lumpia yan sa kanya. Adik sa lumpia, eh. Ito ang request nila Plexi at Nishan guys, bilhan po natin sila ng ganito. Ito yung snack size. This one, yeah.
That's the big one.
Yeah. Wala man ito diba sa Pilipinas. Hindi na talaga ako magdala ng mga Toblerone. Bahala kayo dyan. Dati magdala ko mga Toblerone, mga sneakers. Ang mindset ba, meron ito sa Pilipinas? Parehas naman siguro ang lasa. Kaya magdala tayo ng wala sa Pilipinas guys. Wala tayong ganito. Masarap masyado to. Kung nasa Europe kayo, hanapin nyo good to. I-try nyo. Paborito ko din po siya. Para siyang Big Bang na mas pinasarap. You want to try? Show them, mahan. Ano siya nakita, oh. Ube. Ilan sila? Tagdalawa isang kaon, oh. Sila na bahala. Napa-walk out ang mister ko, guys. Na-shock siya. Kailangan namin ng bagay. O, tingnan nyo. 10 na. Yan pa lang. Ano pa man, guys? Parang sa grocery na ako magbili ng iba. Kayong dito parang meron man tayong Milka, meron tayong Oreo, meron tayong Toblerone. Ito kaya? Not ba? Milka na cookies.
The Milka chocolate gets soft very quickly in the Philippines. Just
But the
because of the
cookies,
temperature.
even the cookies?
No, the chocolate.
Huh?
But even the chocolate around the cookies.
Oh yeah. Gusto ko magdala nito. Paborito ko din to. Let's just bring, mahal. I don't think so. Mainit ba masyado kay summer? May ganito sa Pilipinas? Diba? Binawi ko din ang sinabi ko. Ayan yun na. Masarap man yan. I think they're not yet here, mahal. You think so? They're here already? Tingnan niyo yung paros ni Bia nandito. Oh, kaganda, guys. Wow. I hear them, mahal.
You hear them what? Inside?
Yeah. They're inside. Hallo!
Nou, dat hebben jullie snel gedaan.
Yeah. How are you?
Naar Groningen gegaan, maar naar Heerenveen.
Oh,
All
waar is
from...
het voor het Filipijn?
Yeah. Nasyak si Bianan.
Vliegtuig in de kop?
No.
We hebben een shirtje.
Look, baby, what's inside there?
Nee, het vliegtuig is koud, smelt eerder in
Look,
de
look.
Filipijn.
That's for the
Oh,
Philippines.
yeah.
Here, in the bag. What is that?
Chocolate yummy.
For wie is dat?
For who is that? For Ate Flexi.
For
For...
me?
No,
For me?
but the
That
ube,
one is for
the
you?
ube we can share, you and me.
Yes.
And mama. Put it back. We'll eat it later.
Thank you, Mama.
Sure,
With
why
Papa.
not?
This one is
Without
for
Mama, the ube wouldn't be
Philippines.
here.
And for me also.
Yeah, you can ask them if you want. May bago siyang electric fan. Beautiful. Looks aesthetic. Now tell me what you did today with Oma.
Like workers and drinks and ice cream.
Wow, you ate ice cream?
And in the town I played.
You play in the garden, yeah?
Red. I will work in the garden.
Really?
Mama, bakalu. Mama,
Uy, we have the same size, mahal. Po?
bakalu.
But Rico also has E17.
Yeah.
You can get it.
Same size with ano, biyanan?
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, but bras are different, ha? It's not always the same. Just like the other bras, you know, other model.
Ja, dit is ook 70.
Remember now
Hallo,
the
ipatid.
Nee.
Wow, so sexy naman the bra of my biyanan.
Upstairs, you can try it. Dit is ook 1,70.
Wow. Wow. Wow, see-through, mahal.
En gaat boven de spas of het inderdaad dezelfde maat is. Dat denk ik wel.
Yeah? No, it's Indika. E17, sure?
Ja.
Yeah, but
Mijn
it's...
borsten zijn veel kleiner geworden, maar,
ja,
maar vooral
ja,
mijn
ja.
omvang.
Where does it says? Oh ja, A7.
Ja.
Ze zeiden dat dat een maat was die niet veel verkocht werd.
Nee, is ook zo. Moet je echt om zoeken.
Wow.
Ik koop ze in Franeker. Prima Donna. Die zijn...
Ah, prima donna.
Ja. Heb je wel eens Prima Donna?
Nee, never. Huh?
Hier kan je hier BH halen.
Why, you don't want that anymore?
Ja. Of course.
See? You are still using it. Oh man. I have 4 bras now.
Jack and boy. Hello. Sino palo sa kongkol?
Na-shock si Bianan, guys. Narinig sa saan yan? Sabi ko, Pinoy yan, Pinoy. Again, one more time.
Jack, baby, scissors, too.
No, Jack and Poy.
Jack and boy. Hello. Sino palo sa kongkol?
Very good.
Yeah, I won.
Look, guys, the ingredients of our pizza. We've got small shrimps, everybody.
Hier wat van?
And all the... Wow, blue cheese is yummy. Yes, I want that. Yummy. Ang ating dough. May paprika. Look at that. Tomato. Dried tomatoes. And olives.
Wat is mij?
Yummy.
Die meisje.
Meron din tayong...
Nee.
Look.
Nee, dat gaat.
Kijk, zo.
Very good. Which side is yours, baby love? Iba yung kanya.
This side is mine.
Okay.
Medical met uitjes erbij, oké?
Ja, iedereen heeft uitjes. En iedereen heeft saus en iedereen heeft kaas.
Maar mag ik daar dat stukje?
Ja.
Mag ik dat stukje met tonijn?
Ja.
Of nee?
Jawel,
Nou,
baby.
thank you. Yeah, you can put that if you want.
Ik hoor echt.
I wash my hands.
Mag ik
kan
een
er nog meer
beetje?
blauwkaas
Mag
erin,
ik
oké.
een beetje meer? Want
And the shrimp, mahal. A little bit of the shrimp.
Zo.
Doet
En
er mij, oké?
dan hebben we
Ja.
nog de kaas. En kappertjes.
Ja, maar ik wil half.
Maar mama,
Ja.
is dit mijn
Yeah.
bord?
Yeah, this one is yours. So big. Look. There's no shrimp there.
Ik wil niet met dit kaas. Ik wil alleen met blauwe kaas.
Oh, dan doen we bij jou de blauwe kaas.
The tomatoes, not for Nathan, he said. Yummy. Lagay din tayo ng capers. Wow. And with the bell pepper for Nathan because he loves that.
Wat do you say?
Your bell pepper is there. You see? Jesus, Jesus. Someone is jealous.
Me too.
Bastos. Ang nanay nakatingin dito. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Do this. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Dito na daw natin kunin, guys. Dito na mag-slice yan. Wow! Yan. For me. Yeah, you don't want to cut it? That's super big pizza. How can that be with all the paprikas in the world and all the... We have a secret, huh? What was the secret of Mama with your pizza? I put a lot of...
Blue cheese.
Yeah. Wow, everybody. Kain. Enjoy, bebe.
Heet hoor.
Hey, oh, that's super hot. Oh my gosh. Mmm.
How hot is it? Oh.
Not so hot anymore. Yummy. Very crispy.
Ja.
It's not wet.
Nee.
You can really make a good pizza now, mahal. Yeah, a little bit. I want to try if it's yummy ube.
Yummy ubi.
Pagkatapos niyan, uwi na po tayo.
Lust jij dat wel, Nathan?
Oh, that's super big. Just a bite.
Yeah, just take a bite and then
No egg, mahal?
let me double check.
No egg. Okay.
Lekker.
You like it, Vika?
Ube
Ube?
powder.
Sweet,
3% ube powder.
Oh ja.
yummy sweet
Was het duur?
potato.
So, guys.
So guys, bang bang bang.
So, guys.
Guys, bye. Guys, poopy bye.
Next.